Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just have to open the keypad and enter the secret code, which is *##06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also some other number. And the second method, just open settings, go to the system, about phone, status, and here you can see your serial number and also in legal information. No, not in legal information. Okay, so you can find serial number here, and IMEI numbers you can only find in this previous method I showed you. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.